last SONA po ni Presidente, isa sa mga in-identify niya na kailangan ng key major development is yung textile
Yes,
industry.
Telang Pinoy.
Kumusta, Seth, what's the marching order of PBBM in terms of our textile industry?
Well, of course, this will involve many other departments of government, but for DOS, it's very clear to develop the science through R&D to further improve um, the production. But most importantly now, within DOST, as I already mentioned, beyond R&D, we have other programs that will push for the commercialization of the products and services or instrumentation that we have developed. So we have been talking to some industry players where they will now operate, hopefully, some of the innovation hubs that we have established. So PTRI has been aggressively establishing innovation hubs run by universities or even local government, but mostly universities. Um, and so once these are fully functional, potential investors can take a look at it if they wanted to operate themselves. Kasi mas magiging matipid and profitable usually ang private sector. So that's our trajectory na ma-privatize ang karamihan. Ang theme natin, and this is what PTRI is doing, is doing things in parallel to what the whole DOC system is doing. When I became the secretary, I created a five-pillar approach where everyone would contribute, but it is this administration that we took a bold step to declare that we are going for commercialization. And to do that, then we have to lay the foundation and build upon it. So every year you would notice na nagsimula sa basic muna na mag-intindihan natin kung anong state ng tropical fabric. And now we're thinking of the future, looking at the big industry, and that's equivalent to the three horizon strategy that I mentioned. Na use science, technology, innovation, and R&D to boost production of our MSMEs. Of course, next is to develop our knowledge economy, hindi lang value chain, but really upscaling and making sure that we apply AI, modern digital technology, and many other things to really scale up production. And of course, enterprises that can be globalized. No? So yon, and then building the industries of the future. So um, itong ginagawa ng Peter Rai, of course traditional yan, but slowly they're using different technologies and developing new products. Yung marking is a new thing kasi ano na yan eh, very detailed na technology na yan para ma-solve nga yung pag-fake. But aside from that, is scaling up the production with the private sector.